In this tutorial, I will show you the digital heritage items available in Ichishkiin and how to access those items. On the home page, scroll down to Browse by Community and click on Ichishkiin. On the Ichishkiin homepage, look on the right side. Under Protocols, click on the Ichishkiin community you are a part of. Here, you can request community membership, which will provide access to all community resources. After creating an account and logging in, you'll have access to the materials. Now we will return to the home page by clicking on the NILI symbol in the top left of the screen. And again, scroll down to Browse by Community and click on Ichishkiin. To access the materials, click on Browse All Digital Heritage in Ichishkiin, which you can see if you scroll down a little bit. Ichishkiin materials are organized in collections. You can see these on the right side of the page. Scroll down to see the whole box, and at the bottom of the box of collections, click on Show More to see all of the collections. Ichishkiin 101 and 102 collections contain course materials for teaching those courses. Each week typically consists of, let's open one. Each week typically consists of a syllabus, handouts, tests, and audio files. To return to all Ichishkiin material, click on Ichishkiin in the brown box at the top of the page. There are also other Ichishkiin units used for teaching and learning Ichishkiin, like the Lakamin unit and breakfast units, as well as a collection of storybooks and legends and narratives. There are also units containing materials created by the Ichishkiin community at the University of Oregon, such as Ichishkiin placemats. Clicking on the breakfast unit, we can see these units have digital heritage items such as videos, audio files, curriculum, and instructional material. To go back, I will again click on Ichishkiin in the brown box at the top of the page. I will also point out here that if you scroll down, you can browse items by category or by media type. There are different types of media, including PDF files, audio files, and video files. I will click on File to browse Ichishkiin PDFs. Then, to open a file, just click on the heading. In each file, you will see the item in the middle of the page, and on the right side, you will see information about that item. Also below the item, you will see a summary of the item. And scrolling down, you can see related items and also sometimes dictionary words. Scroll back up, and just under the item, you will see a link. Click on the link to open the item. Here, you can look at the item and download it. This is usually by moving your cursor to the top right of your browser. To go back, I will click on the back arrow on the top left of my browser. Again, if you scroll down, you will see dictionary words on some items. You can click on the dictionary word on the left side. On the dictionary word page, you see the word, and you see a translation of the word and a part of speech, with the audio below that, which you can listen to. And you also see which dialect the word is from. And there may be other dialects and variations of that word as well. And below that, there may be an image of the word. On the right side, you can see related digital heritage items that you can go to. Clicking on search results in the brown box at the top of the page will take us back to the Ichishkiin PDF files. Then clicking on Ichishkiin in that box at the top of the page will take us to all Ichishkiin digital heritage items. Last, I'll point out that if you simply scroll down, in the middle of the page, you'll see a display of items. These are simply organized based on the date they were edited, which may or may not be helpful for you. You can sort these differently at the top right by going up to Sort. If you click on Date Changed, you can choose a different option, such as alphabetical. This may not be useful for your needs, though. At any time, you may click on the NILI symbol at the top left of the page to return to the home page of the NILI Resource Center. Thank you very much.